Shyama Ramani, Professorial Fellow at UNU Merit and Founder Director of Friend in Need Trust. Since the start of the millennium, at least 300 million toilets have been built worldwide. But still, many millions are not being used, and many millions are actually contaminating the earth because policymakers and agencies have felt, let's just build the toilets, let's change behavior, and then let's worry about how to build good quality toilets.
Hey guys, this is Rajan. I coordinate internships at Friend in Need India, and I'm working with Professor Ramani in the village for the past 3 years since 2016. I'm really excited about this World Toilet Day quiz. It's a huge milestone, and thank you all so much for making this happen. And I'm sure it's going to be a great hit. All the very best, and cheers.
Hello everyone, I am Raji. I am a board member of Friend in Need India Trust. I'm very thankful to all of you who are from different places organizing this event conceived by Dr. Ramani and her FIN team. I'm speaking from Delhi. My mother and I are sending you our best wishes for the World Toilet Day event and spreading awareness about OD. Thank you. Namaste. Have a nice day.
Hello, my name is Sofia and I come from Bulgaria. I'm the International Communication Manager at Friend in Need.
Hello everyone, we all are from Kerala State Institute of Design. We are postgraduate students studying about different design fields.
My name is Malik Mashro Herrera and I'm an environmentalist.
Good day friends, I am activist Mweke Fani Green and the Agwata Local Government Area Wash Confederation Chairman. Agwata Local Government is in Anambra State, Nigeria, the African continent. We want to take the message of open defecation free and sanitation hygiene to all our households, in our communities, in our government, and talk to people in authority to make sure we achieve this open defecation free society, a society free of diseases, a society free of dangers and worries of in-health.
FIN developed a sanitation awareness quiz. I'm passionate and motivated to be part of this campaign because I'm intolerant towards injustice. I also believe that everyone deserves to have access to safe sanitation, be educated about good hygiene behavior, and eventually have a healthier life. What is more, it is found that inadequate wash leads to many diseases, including diarrhea and even stunting.
The beach are a source of open defecation in Ghana, but we can turn it into a resort if we want to. And how many new toilets have been added to the already existing ones this year? Can we declare this place as a protected area so that we can live clean lives? These are one of the reasons why I'm your quiz master for this year's World Toilet Day on 19th November. To tag everyone along so that we can live clean lives. I'm happy to be part of this year's World Toilet Day quiz because we want to link toilet issues to our daily life. Thank you.
We wish to take this opportunity for spreading awareness in sanitization program to our college fellows and nearby societies.